The housing market is in shambles. The jobs picture is bleak. Help is around the corner. The muscle of the American economy is starting to tone up. The amount of money spent to build office buildings, factories, rental apartments rose 17% in the third quarter, representing half of U.S. growth. If spending continues at a double-digit rate, it could add 1 full percentage point to GDP in 2012, significant for a country already estimated to grow around 3%. You have had a sector that has been a big drag on the economy, and now we are seeing a big shift the other way, says Joe Lavorgna, economist at Deutsche Bank. We might get these 15 to 20% annualized gains that will help a lot, and it will help create jobs. Hiring in non-residential construction is now at its highest level since 2009. The subsector did lose 4,000 jobs in October, but still employed almost 668 people. And with a hurricane, an earthquake, and a winter storm slamming the East Coast in just 2 months, those numbers could be revised up. Gotham Construction, a construction management firm based in New York, laid off 30 workers during the recession, and so far has hired back 5 to 6 and is looking to add more as business picks up.
We're doing a project for a university. We're doing a healthcare project right now also. We've done a couple of smaller healthcare projects. We're doing a project that includes 2 schools and a retail component.
And investors, take note. We are just beginning to see the effect these jobs will have on the housing market. Gotham itself now has 3 residential projects in the pipeline.
While the recovery in housing has certainly been lackluster over the last few years, we are starting to see some bit of improvement. We're starting to see home sales, certainly home sales, the most readings were a bit better than expected, particularly for new home sales. And housing starts are also picking up a bit.
And a slew of publicly traded companies are starting to show better results. Homebuilder Toll Brothers said orders for its last quarter were up 15% year over year, and it now has a backlog up 12%. Order volumes at Lennar grew 11%, and D.H. Horton has a unit backlog of 18% headed into 2012, and home sales increased 16.5%. And to top it all off, the Wells Fargo Housing Market Index rose to 20 in November, the best level since May 2010. Headlines can paint a depressing picture, but help is on the way.